Keith Urban stunned fans over the weekend when he performed an incredible duet of one of INX's greatest hits, Never Teared Us Apart. The Australian country star took to the stage with Andrew Faddis for the performance, who is a founding member and songwriter for the iconic band. Rocking out in front of a screaming audience of fans, the pair performed at the Grand Ole Opry in Nashville. They stood side by side as they sang the hit together and strummed their guitars during the jaw-dropping rendition. The concert kicked off with only Andrew covering some of his greatest hits throughout his decade-long career before he called Keith out on stage. As he introduced the award-winning country singer to the audience, Andrew recounted the first moment he met Keith before the Aussie shot to stardom. He said he was asked to give Keith some advice about his performance skill. Keith came down and he started playing and singing. I looked at him and I said, "You don't need any advice, you just need to keep doing what you are doing," Andrew recalled. He did, and now he is a living legend with huge hit records, international success, a multi-award winning artist, and a member of the Grand Ole Opry. The crowd flew into applause and scream of joy when Keith then stepped out onto the stage with his guitar. It's a real honor to get to play this song with Andrew Faddis, Keith said before the duo jumped straight into their performance. Andrew wrote the 1987 hit Never Tear Us Apart with INX's frontman Michael Hutchence before his shocking death in 1997. At the age of 37, Keith's duet with the band member comes ahead of his 2025 High and Alive tour down under in August. It will be his first time touring the country since December 2022, with his latest leg being used to promote his new album High. So thanks for watching this video and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe the channel for more videos.